Hello everyone, welcome to Beanie TV. Today is the first day with bangs. Still getting used to it. We're just going to Yongin now to meet Sean's sister's fiance. We're supposed to leave at 10 and we're supposed to leave at 9:30 and it's 10. But couldn't decide on an outfit. Couldn't decide on shoes, had to go back once. So anyways, let's go. Train is so busy on a Saturday morning, like so, oh my god, me and Sean got separated. He was like stuck up against like a pole and he couldn't move and he got so mad. Transferring. I think we have to transfer one more time too. We arrived. My nose is having a hard time. Keeps running. And it was so embarrassing on the train because it kept like I had to buy there's like those little vending machines and I had to buy some tissue paper because it was that bad. Looking for shoes because Sean's family said his are too old. You see Judy, Juddy. Sean's friend for more tea and coffee. Hey guys, we're back home now. I'm so tired because Sean and his friends are talking for like 3 hours or something, which was fine, but I was like sitting there. So it made me realize I need to learn Korean. Like, 열심히 지금부터. Oh, and also because the subway ride took like an hour and 20 minutes, 30 maybe. So we are like pooched, and because we slept at like 4 a.m. no, like 3, woke up at like 8:30, you know. So I want to show you a couple of items because we did do some shopping today. Before we left the house today, I told Sean to wear different shoes because he literally wears the same shoes every day, like every day, no matter what we do or where we go. And today was like kind of like special or whatever, so it's like you should wear like these other shoes. Like he has these like Nike Air Max or something, and he's like, no, it's okay, it doesn't matter. Literally his mom and his brother, when they saw him, were like, what the hell are those? Like, oh my god, please buy some shoes. So that's kind of why his mom took us shopping, because she was like, okay, you need to buy shoes. So she got him these. Sean is a very colorful man. He likes color, like a pop of color. So these are so him. He loves these. The shoelaces were originally this color, but he changed them to these shoelaces, which I had on these Converses that I thrifted that had these random shoelaces on them and not Converse ones. And then I ended up getting these beauties. Air Force One. These are like the new ones that have like kind of like the wedge or whatever. I really wanted these in white. Like I was looking everywhere, but they were, oh my god, they are so freaking cute. So I had been looking for these shoes in white. Like I really wanted them. I knew I was gonna get them. I've been kind of saving off on buying shoes, or like buying anything really, until I get a job and can pay for it, because I don't know when that'll be, and I don't want our money to deplete just from buying like stuff we don't need. But these, okay, so they're originally 140,000 won, and I got them for half price. These were 69,000, so roughly 70,000 won. And then, oh, and then the light purple ones that we saw before were actually 100,000 won. So they weren't as cheap as this one, but I like these ones better. So we're so tired. We just got chicken for takeout. We got original fried, and then we got, I think this is Yongin, like the Korean spicy chili one. Sweet and sour. I don't know what you call it. Sweet and spicy, sorry. Yum. This brand is, what is this? Norang Dongdak. So we're just gonna eat and get ready for bed because we actually have to wake up early again tomorrow because we're gonna meet Sean's cousin. We're gonna see her newborn baby finally. So, and that's in Gimpo area, so far again. Maybe like an hour on the train, so yeah, that'll be a new adventure. I've never been there, so. Thank you for watching today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.